everyone, this is Tanushree NR studying Electronics and Communication in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering. Today's topic is astable multivibrator. Introduction. An astable multivibrator is a type of electronic circuit that generates a continuous output waveform without a need for external triggering. It is commonly used in applications such as timing circuits, pulse generators, and frequency modulation. The circuit consists of two active devices, typically transistors, and alternate between on and off states, creating a continuous oscillations. Working principle. The astable multivibrator operates on the principle of positive feedback. When one transistor is on, it changes the timing capacitor through a resistor, while the other transistor remains off. As the capacitor charges, the voltage across it increases until it reaches the threshold voltage, causing a first transistor to turn off and second transistor to turn on. Components of astable multivibrator. The key components of astable multivibrator circuits are two transistors, resistors, capacitors, and power supplies. The transistors are typically connected in a flip-flop arrangement, with one acting as an emitter follower and other as a common base amplifier. The resistors are used to control the charging and discharging of the timing capacitor. Frequency and duty cycle. The frequency of the astable multivibrator is determined by the value of resistor and capacitor in a circuit. Increasing the resistance or capacitance will result in a lower frequency, while decreasing them will increase the frequency. The duty cycle refers to the ratio of time the circuit spends in one state to the total time of one complete cycle. Advantage of astable multivibrator. The astable multivibrator is simple and cost effective to implement. It does not require external triggering, making it self-sustaining. It can generate a whole range of frequencies and duty cycles, making it versatile for various applications. Applications of astable multivibrator. Timing circuits. Astable multivibrator are commonly used in applications that requires precise timing such as clocks, timers, and frequency counters. Pulse generators. They are used to generate pulses of specific duration and frequencies essential in applications like digital communication and data transmissions. Frequency modulation. Astable multivibrator are employed in frequency modulation circuits, where the frequency of an input signal is varied based on the output of the circuit. Oscillation control. The frequency of the astable multivibrator can be adjusted by changing the value of the resistor and capacitors. By selecting appropriate components values, the desired frequency and duty cycle can be achieved. The stability of the oscillations can be improved by using high quality components and proper circuit design. Circuit variation. There are variations of the astable multivibrator such as transistor based current, 555 timer, IC based current, and operational amplifier based current. These variations offer different advantages and characteristics, allowing for customization based on specific requirements. The choice of circuit variation depends on factors such as complexity, power requirements, and desired functionality. Circuit design considerations. While designing an astable multivibrator circuit, it is important to consider factors such as power supply voltage, component tolerance, and temperature. The choice of transistors and their biasing arrangement should be carefully determined to ensure proper operation. Components values should be selected based on the desired frequency and duty cycle, considering the limitations of the available components. Summary. Astable multivibrator is a self-triggered electronic circuit that generates a continuous oscillation without external triggering. It consists of two transistors, resistors, capacitor, and a power supply. A circuit that can be used in various applications including timing circuits, pulse generators, and frequency modulation. Thank you.